Welcome to my knowledge. This is part 3 of house making. So let's begin. At first we will discuss how to make first floor out of ground floor. It is very easy. We'll just copy it from this point and move it up to a certain distance. Looks good. Now change its title from ground floor to first floor. This looks better. The size is good enough. Now we will just do some small changes. Delete the lawns from first floor. Now we'll change some names as well, like the veranda will become open terrace in first floor. The drawing room will become half covered terrace. Yes, it is half covered terrace. We'll change the text size as well. Looks good. We'll press enter over here. Now looks better. I have done simple changes. I've closed the door of drawing room and the bedroom, and that's all for first floor. The rest of the first floor is same as ground floor. So once you make ground floor, the rest of the drawing is very easy. For roof or top floor, if you don't have a mumty on it, it's very easy. You just have to copy this portion of the drawing, copy it, pick this point and place it somewhere suitable. It looks good. Now copy this text and paste it over here. Change the title. Roof plan sounds good. So again, if you don't have a room or mumty on top of your house, the roof will just look like a plain surface. So in that case, you have to remove all the windows, dining room, drawing room, lounge, everything, and keep the external boundaries. So I will just do that. Erase everything that is not needed. It could be done by just picking the outer boundary from first floor as well. If you pick the outer boundary and copy that outer boundary and drag it, it can also be done that way. So after doing that, I will type hatch in the command line. After typing hatch, I will click in the middle of this open space, and we have the hatching. We have different types of hatching. This one looks good. So this represents the roof plan of the house. So the plan is ready. The drawings are ready. Next step will be to move to layout from model. To move to layout, it is simple. You have layout in the left corner. If you see, next to model, click on layout 1 and it will show you the layout. It will pick everything in its extent. So delete this, will not use this one. We'll go to model and type the remaining text that we have to type, multi-text. Now click here and enter the text you want to show on your drawing. I'll go to layer first and change it to text. If the video is too fast for you, you can slow it down. So I will type the requirements of the drawing, that is window size. It makes easy for the reader to know window size directly from here. The size of the door, number of the doors. It makes it easy in process planning or purchasing. And number of windows also can be used in bill of material. Total covered area of the house. From this you can estimate the total cost of the house. Area of the plot, it is also necessary. Then plot location, also owner's name, and so on. You can also add your own name, who made the drawing. Now select this text, change size of the text. This thing is repeating again and again, so I'm not discussing it in detail. You can just change the size of the text. It is very easy by entering the height in feet or in inches as required. It is very small. I will change its size. Double click on the text, select the text, change its height. Looks good for me. Now let's go to layout. Page setting, modify. Here you can change the page from A4 to A3. Press OK. Good. Now click on rectangular, then again on rectangular and select this area. Here we have it. I don't need the extra lines. Again rectangular, and drag and drop, and you have the drawing. But it doesn't look very good if it is not centered properly. If I drag it up till this, still the drawing doesn't look good. And if I paste it like this, it doesn't look very good. So to avoid this, you have to make boundary of the drawing. For making the boundary, it is very easy. You just have to draw a rectangle. I'm eyeballing it and drawing it. Looks good, looks fine. Now go to layout, delete or erase this existing layout. Now go to layout and rectangular, then rectangular again, drag it, and you have the correct drawing. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.